Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying the Tgin Honey Miracle Hair Mask with raw honey and olive oil. And it says it's an intense, deep penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. No parabens, sulfate, metrolatum, lanolin, artificial colors, or animal testing. It's a pretty thick conditioner, and the texture is a little different from a typical conditioner, but I think it's because it has honey in it. I think that's why it's not as smooth and creamy. It's kind of like you can glide it and it doesn't separate very much. I'll show you guys when I apply it to my hair. So let's go for the directions. After shampooing with Tgin Moisture Rich Sulfate Shampoo and conditioning with the Tgin Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner, apply a generous amount of Tgin Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It's a lot of words to read, okay? To hair and comb through to ensure thorough distribution from roots to ends. Place a plastic cap over hair and sit under dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. Or leave on the hair for 35 to an hour without heat. Rinse thoroughly with warm water followed by cool water. I think I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer because I don't really have time to be leaving this on my hair for an hour. Because I think for my hair, I have low porosity hair, I'm gonna have to leave it in for an hour with no heat. And I don't have my heat cap. My heat cap exploded. I don't know if you guys know my original brown. It exploded, girl. But I had it for so long. I had it for over 10 years, so I'm sad about that. But okay, let's get into it. So you want to start your deep conditioner on wet hair. My hair is damp. Let me show you guys my hair. Washed and conditioned. Let's get into this deep treatment, girl. So I'm gonna just break this bottom half up. Be gentle. A little bit more water. And this is warm water, by the way, guys. Again, you typically want to apply your deep treatment right after you rinse out your detangler. If you detangle after you shampoo, you want to apply it to warm hair, to warm washed hair. Okay, so I was telling you guys about the texture. Like, I can't even scoop it because it's like doesn't separate, and it reminds me like it's because it has honey in it. If you've mixed products with honey, like to make your own treatments, then you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I like it. It smells so good, you guys. Look at that. And that's just with my fingers, and it feels so good. It smells so good. I think I can leave this on my hair for 35 minutes. So I want to try it as if I don't have a hooded dryer, because some of you guys don't have hooded dryers, and I want to see how it works without the hooded dryer. So I'm gonna leave it on for 45 minutes. Good middle for the directions. And it's normal to have shed hair, you guys. Just make sure it's not broken hair. You can look at your hair and see if it's broken or not by the bulb of the hair and the length of it. Let's just keep going. My middle hair is so right here, so tender. It's so tender. be too much, but I'm not sure. This conditioner feels so good, you guys. It smells so good, you guys. Like, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit more. To my sides. Not my ears. All right. So I'm gonna leave this on my hair for 45 minutes. I'm gonna wrap this towel around my head. So I'm gonna keep this towel on my head so I can like trap the heat. I'm gonna do 35 minutes. It's falling asleep. Okay, it has been 35 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like before I rinse it out. I'm gonna rinse it out and it'll be like upward, but here's my hair. And I would have to say that this is an amazing deep conditioner. My hair feels so soft, so moisturized, like super soft, and I would give this 2 thumbs up. If you haven't tried this one, I think it's a great deep conditioner, extremely moisturizing. My hair feels more manageable, like it's soft and it smells good. So yes, absolutely love this. It's a moisturizing mask, not really yeah, it says deep intense. Yeah, Everything is valid on here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.